Alright, guys, so this video is about mechanism design and game theory. Also, a very important question that was asked repeatedly in the previous year questions. So, what is mechanism design? Mechanism design is basically the part of game theory where we create rules or design systems so that when people act selfishly, the final result still helps everyone or the society. ठीक है? It is called reverse game theory. ठीक है? So instead of predicting outcomes of a game, we want to design the game in a way to get the outcome we want. ठीक है? So what is happening over here is that we are thinking about everyone. यानी कि जो player है, it is defining a situation. It is not defining a game. Okay, it is defining an environment. पर अगर अगर एक player selfishly भी act कर रहा है, तो उसमें भी it is going to be played out in such a way जहाँ पे ना जीतने वाले का भी कुछ भला हो रहा है. ठीक है? Now, now there's this concept called aggregating preferences in mechanism design. ठीक है? Now, what does that mean? Now, what that means is that people are gonna have different goals and wants. दूसरे अलग-अलग लोग हैं, अलग-अलग goals रहेंगे. Mechanism design is going to create a fair rule to collect these different preferences. ठीक है? ये preferences जो अलग-अलग preferences रहेंगे वो उसको collect करेगा and it will convert them into a good group decision. ठीक है? एक अच्छा मतलब a good group decision, or like what am I to explain in that? ठीक है? एक collective decision that will be taken in a group which will be good for everyone. ठीक है? Where is this used? It will be used in markets to balance sellers and buyer interests. ठीक है? Now an example would be Flipkart or Amazon. ठीक है? Where sellers want high prices and buyers want low prices, right? Now the platform, what does the platform want? It wants smooth trade. ठीक है? So mechanism design will enable the creation of fair pricing and auction rules to satisfy everyone as much as possible. ठीक है? Now what is the core idea? The core idea must be that players behave rationally and selfishly. So rules must be designed so that the best option for every player is to act truthfully. ठीक है? The best action for every player is to, I think I said auction, I'm so sorry about that. Best action for every player would be to act truthfully first of all and to help achieve the desired social outcome, right? So even if they think about only themselves, they will be able to मतलब एक social outcome ऐसा निकलेगा जहाँ पे सबका भला हो रहा है. ठीक है? That is the core idea. Now what is an overall example? Okay, it will be auction mechanism, specifically victory auctions, also called the second prize auction. Okay. Now, what happens over here is that people are gonna make sealed bids. Sealed bids is that if I'm in an auction and I'm in an auction with other people, तो मैं एक price submit करूँगी to buy the house. Okay, if the auction is about a house, I'm gonna give in a bid and मुझे नहीं मैं वो sealed रहेगा. ठीक है? Nobody's gonna know मेरे envelope में क्या है, like what मैंने price क्या submit किया है. Nobody's going to know कि दूसरे के envelope में क्या है, कि वो लोग ने क्या submit किया है. ठीक है? So like nobody knows कि like मैं कितना bid कर रही हूँ और दूसरे लोग कितना bid कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? So the highest bid in that case will win. But the winner, according to this victory auction, they will pay the second highest price. ठीक है? They will pay the second highest price. ठीक है? So the best strategy will be to tell the truth because lying will not help. ठीक है? What is this called? In technical terms, it is called incentive compatible mechanism. ठीक है? It's a technical term that you will have to remember to define the scenario. Now, मैकेनिज्म डिजाइन इन गेम थियोरी, मतलब गेम थियोरी में इसका रोल कहाँ पे पड़ता है? इसका रोल पड़ता है नॉन कोऑपरेटिव गेम थियोरी में. ठीक है? वह नॉन कोऑपरेटिव गेम थियोरी में स्पेसिफिकली क्या होता है दैट players don't cooperate or form agreements. Okay, so the rules force them to reach the best outcome. ठीक है? Like Nash equilibrium में होता है, right? You find the best outcome. The rules will force them to do that. So it will focus on fairness, efficiency and welfare. Now, what is its importance in economics? Okay, specifically पूछा गया है in PYQ about aggregating preferences and its significance in economics and uh, more specifically like computer science भी रहा है, but like oh yeah, specifically data science and AI के बारे में बोला गया है. Like it's specifically asked in your PYQ कि like explain mechanism design in terms of what was aggregating preferences and explain it. Different questions थे, वह second question में बोला गया था economics and data science and AI में उसका क्या importance है. This is the clubbed answer for both of them that you can write, like a mechanism design का कोई भी question आ रहा है, you can write this answer. Okay. So importance in economics will be that governments and markets use mechanism designed to create fair tax systems, allocate public resources, and conduct auctions, right? This will minimize cheating and waste in all scenarios. What is its importance in data science and AI? Will be that it is used in online advertising, जैसे Google Ads auctions हो गए. It is used in recommendation systems. It is used in crowdsourcing platforms. ठीक है? It encourages users to provide truthful data and behave honestly. It makes algorithms and businesses profitable and fair. ठीक है? Now, what is its importance in public policy and governance? ठीक है, this ये भी specifically पूछा. I think the question was to specifically explain public policy and governance and economics में. Okay, I don't specifically remember. You can watch the other video where those PYQs were discussed. Okay, never mind. So, where is it used in public policy and governance? It is used in voting systems, welfare schemes, and environmental policies. Oh, this ensures honest participation by citizens and helps maximize social good and fair allocation. What is its importance in computer science and networks? So basically, applications discuss हो रहा है in half of the answer, where they are using blockchain, security, and network protocols. Okay, example Bitcoin mining हो गया, where selfish miners still maintain network security because rules make that their best option. Okay, नाउ इसका कॉन्सेप्चुअल सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है कि ट्रेडिशनल गेम थियोरी में गेम विल प्रेडिक्ट द आउटकम, इन मैकेनिज्म डिजाइन में आउटकम विल क्रिएट द गेम. ठीक है, सो नॉर्मल अप्रोच में क्या होगा कि टेल्स अस हाउ द सिस्टम शुड बी डिजाइंड एंड नो वेट, इट मीन्स कि कॉन्सेप्चुअल सिग्निफिकेंस में वी आर यूजिंग अ नॉर्मेटिव अप्रोच. ठीक है, अ नॉर्मेटिव अप्रोच वेयर इट विल टेल अस हाउ द system should be designed, and it will ensure that rational and selfish actions will also result in the best collective outcome for everyone. Okay, so in one line, mechanism design creates rules so that when everyone acts selfishly, the result will still benefit the society. Okay, I hope you understood that. Bye.